Hi, I'm Ed.
And I'm Barb.
And we're the Streeters.
Today we're going to give you an inside look into the studio. We've been working so hard all week, and last week it paid off. We had a huge day for the pop-up gallery.
Yeah, so we spent all of last week in the glass studio, and so we're going to be showing you some clips about ornament making, because it's that time of year, and also we were fulfilling orders for glass pumpkins.
Next pop-up is December 5th.
Pop-up gallery right here in the parking lot.
And the parking is right over on Lakeside. So just park on Lakeside and walk over to the pop-up, and there's plenty of room, social distance, wear your mask, and it's just a fun time to meet with your friends as well. Yeah. And Christmas shop.
Yeah. So, and then we want to also remind you that our online store is fully stocked. We want to thank you guys for tuning into our videos. If this is your first time, and we'd like us, maybe even subscribe. We got some really cool things coming up.
Hit the like button and leave a comment, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and Pinterest. In the down in the right hand corner, just follow those links. It will take you right to us.
Something I know nothing about.
But we're there.
We're there, I promise you. Yeah. Again, we want to invite you out to the pop-up gallery on Saturday, December the 5th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
I wanted to remind everyone to please, if you haven't subscribed, please do, because when we get 100 subscribers, I think we have 89 right now. If we get to 100, we get our own personal URL. So that makes a big difference. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. So we need 11 more subscribers. And so I'll tell you what, we're going to go ahead and thank you in advance for subscribing to our channel, because it's greatly appreciated. Once we get our own URL, we're well on our way to a full-time channel. Not full-time for us, though.
We could do some live YouTube.
Oh yeah, we could bring you into the studio live one night or something while we're working.
We're trying to figure out the equipment right now, so that's going to be a fun next step.
Yeah.
So we want to tell everyone Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving out there. Please just be safe. Barbara and I are going to be safe.
Yeah. Yep. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We'll be doing a video next weekend from our safe spot. See you then.
Bye.